Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Welcome on. Bless up first and foremost. You know the formula. Subscribe and like if for your first time over here. So we are going to talk about what the description of the video say. So tune in and see for yourself. Today guys, we are going to inform you about some scars where the people them spot on Jada Kingdom and we don't know how that go. And I'm going to share the picture, the same exact picture. Here's it. Yeah guys, so this exact picture, if you look closely on her hand, we hang off on her knee, right? There, so now see some bruise mark. I don't know if I razor do it, cut it up. You know when people are go through different type of problem, you see me? But I mean the people them inquiry about it, we want to know what really are going, you see? Alright viewers, so I know what we forward today over the channel here for. And guess what, I find the video before I vlog about it, so I have proof. You see me? So anyways, you're not thief, you have pride in it, you see me? Enough thief for them, but me I don't one of them. But a video circulate with Nikki, that a Queen Nicki, Marvin the Beast ex-girlfriend. You see me, I do one of them shoplifting them. I share it first and foremost. I don't know thief they everywhere now guys, so I'm not gonna bash her, but as a girl like she same way, you can't thief and get because you're a public figure. You see me? But in that conversation there, we're not too beat down nobody. See Teejay have him new album Rocks to Riches, yeah. You see me? And so for the anticipation, it's not so bad, so he might promote it and the people them for know.
Go up on the studio, go on all the vibes right now, album soon forward. You see me? From Rags to Riches, wanting to pre-order the album. First song off our album I drop 23rd of the month, yeah. So I want to get the thing them. See? Bad album, trust me, bad album. Trust me, everything put together. You see me? So look out feet. Bad. Every producer with my voice for same way, if I'm not on the live and I try to get to me if you drop on a song and just text me in the inbox so I can get to you because you don't want to just drop no song right now and I promote the thing them right way. You get me? Yeah. Rocks Riches album I forward and look out feet. Bad album. Then take your time now, darling. You don't have to call him. Just a smart request and faithful game. Girl, I'ma fuck you right now in the morning. Scream for my name and call it. Love hearing you bawling. 23rd of the month, yeah. First song off our album I release. Look out for it. From Rocks Riches album. It a go Lord. Big up on yourself. Stay safe. Be careful. Protect on yourself. Make more money. Get rich. Fuck them gala. Breathe them gala. Live life. Stay up top. Big up on yourself and ladies who don't condemn boy and cannot impose all about them one pit. You know, go on. Like a more. Big up on yourself. Here. Madras. See him so. Fully up. Bad. Up top, please. I'm at sitting, man. Ricardo Lewis, me see you, no brother. Somebody say fuck money. First me hear that the blood clot, the man say fuck money. Alright, him alone can't do that. God go with him because we not come. Nah, go with him a blood clot. Nah, go with him. Come on. Song them when me just sing, I think them up on the album to me not even know. Them up on the album, Jay. Two songs, two girls song. One of them.
I think one of them.
Yeah.
We also had the two of them, even
Outside, yeah, but go and dig up on yourself. Up top camp, smoke the pain away, you know. All them bad song there. Just share the buckler thing me post for my page, the thing me post for my page, the song. I say from Rock's Church's album, just share it all around. Let them know say our album, you know, the ear though. Yeah, 600 people up on the live now, 600 people just share that. Go up on the page, share it. So me let them know say look out for the first song of our album, July 23rd. You see me? Top camp, top from Rock Church's album. You see me? It's gonna be a movie. Trust me. Every song bad. See? Every song bad. Sure, what kind of phone you have? Can I have a song on my phone? I think we sample it to them. Play what we love with family. Fear song. Sing as entertainment. You outside, you know, Kevin. Where do you know? Man, I wish one that Nah, man, don't play. Yeah, man.
Come there one now, come there, say, man, read, I give them a preview.
Yeah, hear that one day.
Which one you attack?
Hold on. I want to play that one now. Yeah, just download it down.
Yeah, they're up on top.